Okay guys, in today's video we're going to learn how to install font on PIXElLAB on your smartphone in another way. You can see a previous video. I made a video on how to install font, and that way some people are finding it difficult to install font on their smartphone, but I got another way to install the fonts very nicely and very simple on PIXElLAB or on your smartphone. It is very simple on how to create this or how to bring in this font style. Okay, so not further ado, let's go to Z-Achiever. You just open your Z-Achiever. Now let's go to download. Okay, so download this where all the fonts are. So this is my font. I downloaded it from that font. So if you go to that font.com, you can download these font styles on your smartphone. That is very simple. You just type in that font.com, then it will get you inside. Then you click on download, and it will download automatically. So you choose whatever you want to choose, then you download it. So this is a font I downloaded it from that font.com, and I want to extract it on my smartphone. First thing you're going to do is let's go and create a folder. So just click on this plus sign here, then you click on this. You're going to create a new folder. So for me, I want to name it Honesty Media. Okay, so Honesty Media, fonts. Okay, so let me type in font. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to extract the font into the folder we've created. So I'm going to extract this font one by one on Honesty Media font. So for me, I will extract one or two, then you follow the steps and extract everything into your smartphone. Okay, so next thing, let's just click on the font like this. So for me, I want to click on this contemporary font. So okay, so now let me click on the first one, Basiro. Just click on it. Don't long press it. Just click on it, and you see a pop-up with view, extract here, extract to, achieve, name, and extract. Just click on the extract only. Okay, click on the extract. Then you can see that there is something showing up here like green circle here, and it means go and extract it at the folder you want to extract it. So I want to extract it on this Honesty Media font. So just click on the Honesty Media font and click on this green circle here. It will extract it for you. Very simple. Now let's go back and click on another one. So I want to click on the Christmas kitchen, or I want to click on the Lover. So Lover's font, then I click on extract. Let's go to Honesty Media font and extract it. Click on the green circle. So for me, this is what I have extracted here. Now the next thing we're going to do is let's go to PIXElLAB and install it on PIXElLAB. Some of the fonts, it will install it automatically without going to PIXElLAB and do any settings for it, but some of the fonts are not able to install it. So let me show you how to install it. Let's go to PIXElLAB. Okay, so this is PIXElLAB. Then let me go to font. Then the next thing is click on my font. Then you can see that there's a folder here and there's a single folder here. So this is the folder. So we are not going for the folder because I've made a video on that in my previous video, how to use the folder and add it directly. So all the fonts you extract it in one folder will come automatically. But for now, if your phone is not able to install on that way, you can use this way. So just click on the first one, it will open up your device for you. So for me, I want to install the fonts one by one. So I'll go for my folder, or I'll go and open the folder. So I'll click on the device storage. So I'll go and find the font, or the folder I've created. So for me, where I create the font is download. So let me go to download. Okay, so download. So that's where I can see, or I can find that font. I click on that font. Now I can see that the Honesty Media folder is here right there. So just click on the Honesty Media. So this is the font I extracted on Honesty Media font folder. So I just click on it and it will go automatically to PIXElLAB. So just click on Lover. I click on Lover like this. Okay, so let's find it. Where is the Lover font? This is the Lover font here. you can see that the Lova font is showing up here inside my font. So let's go again, and it will go automatically at where I open the Honesty Media font. So now you will not search for it again. Just click on the first one. For me, I just click on the lower. So the next thing I'm going to click on the next one. So you can see that the barrel is showing up. Where is the barrel font? So I think that is it. Basiro. So it's Basorilo Humano. Just save it. So just how you can save it. And let's go again and do another one. So let's go here. Now let me go back. Okay, so there's a lot of fonts here. So I want to click on contemporary. Okay, contemporary. Let me extract it to Honesty Media font. Let me extract it here. So I just go to PIXELLAB and go ahead and save or install the font. Okay, so I just extract this contemporary here. So what I'm going to do is just click on the contemporary, then it will come here automatically. So where is the contemporary? Let me search for it. Okay, the contemporary is up on Lova font. So the contemporary is here live. Okay, let me go ahead again. I think the contemporary is having more, or okay, it's only one. That's it. So this is how you create, or this is how you bring in font style on PIXELLAB. This is another way, but there is another way too for that. This is how it works. Let's go back to PIXELLAB. Okay, now let's go and click on this folder, and you can go straight forward and find your Honesty Media. Okay, Honesty Media font folder, but I can't see it here. So most of the fonts are not going to do this, but some of the fonts will do it. Okay, so this, okay, I can see download, and I can see the font here. I can see it, Honesty Media font. So nothing showed here, so you can't add it directly. So some of the fonts work like this. So if your font work like this, this is how you're gonna do it. Then you can go ahead and use the font. So I can see this is the contemporary. Okay, click on it. This contemporary font. See contemporary font. So you can use it. Okay, so I'm gonna edit it into Honesty Media. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to get notified of this content. Thank you for watching.